Morning. We're going to be trying to troubleshoot an elevator that at this point in time we have no power going to. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and check the actual elevator service room. If you have any issue with the power or the elevator stuck, find your elevator equipment room. Make sure it's labeled to the actual elevator that you're using if you got multiple elevators. And let's go ahead and try to see what's going on here. The thing powers itself back up. Not sure who came in here and did this, but it's actually off. I'm not sure if they're servicing it, but it's a good swap. Now, let's give it a couple seconds. Let everything load itself up and boost itself up. And I'm gonna hope that that's exactly what it is. You know, we're gonna go ahead and go in there in about maybe another minute or so and double check and make sure that elevator is already starting back to move around. Because I got 6 floors and I got guests stuck on a couple of them up top, you know, that don't feel like using the staircase. So this is the easiest fix. If you're in a pressing situation where you need your elevator to work, this is the pressing situation that you need to do. You need to run and find your electrical room, turn the breaker off, turn it back on, see if the components reset themselves and get back to normal function. After that, you might want to go ahead and call out the company, you know, just to make sure that you don't have any issues as far as servicing their unit. All right, guys, so that's the first step. If when I go out here, if that thing's not working right, I'm gonna show you guys the next step that you should take if you're dealing with these elevators.